how that file upload vulnerability can be exploited. I've done a local setup where my API manager is running on port 9443, and let me show you the version which I've been using. So you can see we are using this WSO2 API manager version 3.2, the base version. Okay, the next step is to see our server is running and accessible. We'll do a refresh here. We'll log in with the default credentials. We'll see our server is accessible. Cool, so our server is accessible. However, let's go to exploit the vulnerability of file upload. So I have the local setup, and this is basically my local machine IP. So the vulnerability will be exploited using that particular IP address only, or the domain which can be reachable. So you can see it's being redirected, so we do not need to worry about this because internally API manager redirects it to the callback URL. Okay, but yes, this is accessible. Okay, so now we will go to our script. So I have this script with me, which is exploit.py, and I will go to this setup. I have this exploit.py file. Let's paste this script. Okay, let me copy the command again. Let's paste the command and hit it. Okay, now copy this URL and go to this. So we can see that on this particular port, this, if I run a command pwd, then it will show me the path where my API manager instance is running. Even to validate, this file has been uploaded to the directory which is hackupload.jsp. I will go to this particular directory slash repository deployment server. Okay, I will have to apply a command cd for. Okay, so let me I will do ls-lrth. I will paste the command. To list down all the directories where where we have to go. ls-lrth repository deployment server. Okay, then web apps, then authentication endpoint. Okay, so maybe let's verify this. Go to the server. Okay, so here we have been missing. Okay, then you can see this hackupload.jsp has been uploaded at this particular timestamp. Okay, just to verify again, we can upload any of the malicious file. It could be hackupload again.jsp. Okay, we'll go to the URL, and again, so we have two files here. Let's verify we have two files. ls-lrth repository deployment server. Okay, ls-lrth, let's put a slash sign here, then to web apps, and you can see this hack upload again.jsp has been uploaded. Now let's stop the server. We'll go to the files where we have made the changes on the server. We have deployment.toml, deployment patched, so we'll take the deployment backup, deployment patch to be the deployment.toml. Okay, let's see if our server has stopped. Okay, we'll start the server again. Let's wait for a moment to the server to be started. Let's ready with this script. So we'll do a hack upload. Yes, hack upload new.jsp. Let's wait for the server to be started. So we will see how our previous files that were uploaded are still available, and the new exploitation that will perform, that will see whether the file gets uploaded or not post applying the patch. Cool, so our server has started. Let's verify our server. Okay, so our server is running. Let's go back and see if the previous files are still available. Yes, they are still available. Okay, so next we'll do a hack upload new.jsp. Okay, so this will give us, this has given a URL. Okay, we'll click that URL, but now this time we are getting 404. And if we do ls-lrth, let's do a refresh here, then the hack upload new has not been uploaded. Okay, hence the proof of concept ends.